In today's version of this old crappy house, we're going to replace this magic stat with a new thermostat. Well, folks, that's the new one in there. We're going to go rip this off the wall. So now we got the new thermostat installed. We're going to do some paint and spatch on the wall here, clean up some of this, and should be smooth sailing. We got the internet all hooked up to it. We're rolling in the 21st century. So that's what it kind of looks like, that white stuff from like Ghostbusters. And I'm just gonna take some of it and wipe it on with my finger. Put it in there nice and good. Spackle it up, buddy. Spackle it up. Because that's the thing. You want to make sure you got a nice, even keel here, folks. Making it look real good. You know. Don't be shy with it. You want to make sure you got enough in there. Fill those crevices. It's like wiping a duck's butt. Yeah, it's looking good. And now I'm gonna go get a knife. It takes 30 minutes for this to set. Looks good enough to eat. If you have one of these David putty knives sitting around, these are real. Name of the game is here, my friends. Really just set it off nice. Make it nice and flat to the touch. That's really what we're looking for. Making it look decent, you know? That's what it's all about. Smoothing, grinding. Good deal. All right, it's dried up nice and good. Now it's time to put on a layer of paint. Well, folks, we are installed now, and you can do things like toss up the color on it, maybe do some red. You can check the weather. Looking pretty good. Well, folks, this is the final product. It is installed and working, and we have just turned on. Yeah, no, so we are we got the whole wall repainted, and yeah, came out good.